Welcome to Final BDS Made Easy. Structure and functions of the PDL is an important 5-marker question in the subject of periodontia. The periodontal ligament is a specialized connective tissue located between the cementum covering the root of the tooth and the alveolar bone. It plays a crucial role in the maintenance and functionality of the teeth within the alveolar socket. The structure and functions of the PDL are essential for dental health, and they can be broadly categorized into physical, formative, remodeling, nutritional, and sensory functions. The periodontal ligament comprises various cellular elements, principal fibers, and ground substances. Cellular elements include the fibroblasts. These are the most abundant cells in the periodontal ligament, responsible for collagen production and turnover. Cementoblasts and osteoblasts are involved in the formation of cementum and bone. Epithelial cell rests of molasses are remnants of the Hertwig's epithelial root sheet, potentially involved in periodontal regeneration. Immune cells such as macrophages and mast cells contribute to the defense mechanisms. Principal fibers are alveolar crest fibers, which prevent extrusion and resist lateral tooth movements. Horizontal fibers that resist horizontal pressure. Oblique fibers which bear the brunt of vertical masticatory stresses. Apical fibers that prevent tipping and luxation, and interradicular fibers which are found in multi-rooted teeth and provide additional support. Ground substance is composed of glycosaminoglycans, glycoproteins, and water, providing a medium for nutrient transport and cellular activities. The functions of the periodontal ligament are multifaceted and can be categorized into the following. Physical functions. PDL provides a soft tissue casing to protect vessels and nerves from injury by mechanical forces. It also transmits occlusal forces to the bone, acting as a shock absorber. It anchors the teeth to the alveolar bone. It maintains the gingival tissues in their proper relationship to the teeth. Shock absorption can be explained by two theories. First one is tensional theory, in which principal fibers first unfold and then straighten, transmitting forces to the bone. And second one is viscoelastic system theory, which says that fluid movements within the periodontal ligament control the tooth displacement, with fibers having only a secondary role. Are the formative and remodeling functions. PDL cells are involved in the formation and resorption of cementum and bone, accommodating occlusal forces and repairing injuries. The PDL undergoes constant remodeling with high collagen turnover, ensuring the maintenance of tissue integrity. Nutritional functions are that PDL supplies nutrients to the cementum, bone, and gingiva through its blood vessels. It also provides lymphatic drainage, helping in waste removal and maintaining the tissue health. Next are the sensory functions. PDL is abundantly supplied with sensory nerve fibers capable of transmitting tactile pressure and pain sensations via the trigeminal pathways. Types of neural termination include free endings for pain sensation, Ruffini-like mechanoreceptors located in the apical area, called Meissner corpuscles located in the midroot region, and spindle-like pressure and vibration endings located at the apex. Principal fibers of the PDL are primarily collagenous and arranged in bundles and follow a wavy course. These fibers are the Sharpie's fibers, which are terminal portions of the PDL fibers embedded in cementum and bone, and they are significantly calcified. Next are the transeptal fibers. They extend interproximally over the alveolar bone crest, embedded in the cementum of adjacent teeth. Next are the alveolar crest fibers. They extend obliquely from the cementum to the alveolar crest. Horizontal fibers extend at right angles to the long axis of the tooth. Oblique fibers, these are the largest group of fibers extending from the cementum in a coronal direction Apical and interradicular fibers are located at the apical region and in the furcation areas of multi-rooted teeth. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you appreciate this video, do hit the like button, share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay tuned for more such videos.